Hello everyone. After watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like and comment on my video. Today's topic is verbs. Verbs are part of speech. In this video, we will learn about verbs. So let's start now. Verbs describe the action of subject. We mostly read this definition. Verbs describe the action of subject. What do you mean by action? Action means work that we perform. Action means work that we do. For example, eat, dance, cook, write, play, etc. These all are action that we do. One more definition I would like to add. Verbs describe the state of the subject also. What do you mean by state of subject? A state of subject means in which state or time the subject is. The subject is in present time, or the subject is in past time, or the subject is in future time. Verbs tells us about the state of subject. For example, Ram is playing. So, what action Ram is doing? What work Ram is doing? Playing. So, playing is also a verb here. And in which state Ram is? In which time Ram is playing? Ram is playing at present. Is telling about his time period. So, is and playing both are verbs here. Next example, Karan is 8 years old. What Karan is doing? Karan is not doing any work, but the sentence is telling about his state, that Karan is 8 years old at present. Which verb tells us about his timing? Is. Is tells us about present time. Next example, Sia was 5 years old. What action Sia is doing? Sia is not doing any action. The sentence is telling about Sia's state. And Sia was 5 years old in past. Was is telling about past. Rama will be 10 years old. It means Rama will be 10 years old in future. Rama is not doing any action. Rama is not doing any work. But the sentence is telling about her time, that Rama will be 10 years old in future. So will be is telling about future time. So we will talk about two types of verb, main verb and helping verbs. Firstly, let's talk about main verb. Main verbs describe the action of subject. Action means work. For example, dance, sing, jump, cook, read, walk, etc. These all are main verbs. And second is helping verb. Helping verb describe the state of the subject. The state of subject means in which state or time the subject is. The subject is in present, past or future. For example, present helping verbs are the verbs that tells us about present time only. For example, is, am, are, has, have, have been, do, does, can, should, must, etc. These all are helping verbs that tells us about present time only. Next is past helping verbs. Past helping verbs tell us about past time. For example, was, were, had been, did, could have, should have, must have, etc. These all are helping verb that tells us about past time. Future helping verbs are will have to, etc. These verbs tell us about future time. For example, Rani is playing guitar and second is I was listening music. So, what Rani is doing? Rani is playing guitar. What is the action that Rani is doing? playing guitar. So playing guitar. Playing is main verb here. And in which state Rani is playing guitar? Rani is playing guitar at present. Is helping verb, and is present helping verb because it is telling about present time. Second example, I was listening music. So what I was doing, what work I was doing? I was listening music. The main verb is listening here. And in which state I was listening music? In which time I was listening music? I was listening music at past. Next example, he will become a doctor. Arun is talking to Varun. He will become a doctor. He is not doing any action. So there is no main verb. But when he will be doctor, he will be a doctor in future. So will is telling about future time. Will is helping verb. That is future helping verb. Arun is talking to Arun. What Arun is doing? Arun is talking. Talking is main verb. And is telling about present time. So when Arun is talking to Arun is talking to Varun at present time. So is present helping verb and talking is main verb in the sentence. I hope you are getting me. Next example is he is an artist, and next is my father is in Delhi. So in first example, he is not doing any action. He is not doing any work. So there is no main verb. So it is telling about his state, and he is an artist at present. Which verb is telling about that he is an artist at present? Is a helping verb. Is present helping verb that is telling about present time. Next example is my father is in Delhi. Father is not doing any work, but this sentence is telling about father's state. That father is in Delhi, and in which time? At present. My father is in Delhi at present. So is present helping verb. I hope you are getting me. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my video. Thank you.